Wabici-inĩ cia kaunti ya Laikipia taũni-inĩ ya Nanyuki nĩkuo gavana ũrĩa ũrahurũka wĩra Ndiritu Muriithi na gavana mũthure Joshua Irungu maracemanĩtie kwarĩrĩria mĩbango ya ũcenjania wa wathani. Atongoria aya erĩ meranĩire kũnyitanĩrĩra gũtigĩrĩra ona magĩcenjania wabici aikarĩri a kaunti ya Laikipia matikwaga gũkinyĩrio motungata nĩ ũndũ wa ituĩka rĩa wathani.
Because we want to work together, we want to have seamless handing over and the continuity and sustainability of the projects that we have started. And therefore I want to assure people, I know at this time of the transition there are people who have the fears, and the fears is that of the unknown. The fear of the unknown, we don't know this angel or the devil who has come in, how he is going to behave, how he is going to handle.
In the Assumption of Office Act, there are certain processes that are laid out, and for good order, because the handover process ought to be nice and smooth. Assets and liabilities are accounted for. The new team is aware of the state of things, so that even when they take over, then they do so with full information and knowledge.
Joshua Irungu augĩte gũtirĩ andũ magĩrĩirwo nĩ gũkorwo na wagagu makĩria ene kandarathi arĩa mararutithanagia wĩra na gavana Muriithi na matinakorwo marĩhwo gũgĩkinyĩria hĩndĩ ya gũcenjania wabici.
Is normal to have the pending bill, and therefore I want to assure them that there is nothing that gonna go wrong. I will cooperate and where needful, and therefore let them feel free just to come and continue. We continue working together. For me, I'm looking forward to serve Laikipia people, na kwa hivyo hatutakuwa na fita yoyote.
Ona kũrĩ aruti wĩra a kaunti, Joshua eranĩire ũigananu nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra wĩra wa gũtungatĩra aikari a kaunti ya Laikipia nĩ wathiĩ na mbere gũtarĩ na kĩhĩngĩca.
So we'll complete what he started. We'll not just leave it aside because it was started by the governor, because we do appreciate that these are public resources that we were used to do those projects, and therefore we come and complete those projects, and then we continue with even other new projects.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Wathani wa Jehia.